So we're going to start in Genesis. And my first point is that technology is commanded in the cultural mandate. So Genesis 1:28, God creates mankind. He tells them to be fruitful and multiply, to fill the earth and subdue it, to have dominion. And he continues on in Genesis 2:5. He places the man in the garden to, as it says, work the ground. Genesis 2:11, the description of Eden talks about rivers that flow through it and precious metals underneath it. Those metals will need to be discovered and extracted through technology. Genesis 2:15 says that God puts mankind in the garden to work it and to keep it, to cultivate, to maximize the production of the soil. And so therefore, in God's original cultural mandate, we see technology is really coupled in to his call for humanity. Technology is going to be required to feed the kids as we fill the earth and multiply. Technology is going to be required to have dominion, to build bridges and cross rivers and plant gardens and build cities. And so we are really, in some way, commissioned to invent, to create technology. And we use technology all the time in fundamental ways. Adam and Eve would use technology to reorder the raw materials of the soil, to shape them, to build a garden for human flourishing. Chefs use technology to reorder raw materials of food into meals. Carpenters reorder raw material of lumber and nails into homes. Chemists reorder organic and synthetic elements into medicines. There is technology happening all around us for the betterment of society, for human flourishing. And so I need us to see that as we look at technology, the invention of the iPhone, GPS, artificial intelligence, automation, it isn't somehow disconnected from scriptures.